Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with controller on PC. First, connect your controller to your computer using either a reliable USB cable or a stable Bluetooth connection. It is important to confirm your PC's drivers are completely up to date for the best possible experience. Remember, Roblox does not inherently support every type of controller for every single game you might wish to play. Since Roblox does not offer universal controller support, you will often need third-party mapping software. Programs such as Rewast or Joy2Key are excellent choices for this purpose. These tools allow you to meticulously assign your controller buttons to specific keyboard and mouse commands. This way, your controller can seamlessly mimic your computer's standard inputs, opening up many more gameplay possibilities. Next, create a dedicated profile within your chosen mapping software exclusively for Roblox. You should assign your left joystick to replicate the classic W, A, S, and D movement keys. Then, map your action buttons. For instance, make spacebar for jumping or left mouse click for interactions. Always remember to save your carefully customized profile once all your adjustments are complete. Now it is time to launch Roblox and choose a game to thoroughly test your new controller setup. During gameplay, pay close attention to the responsiveness and accuracy of your mapped controls. If needed, adjust the sensitivity settings, either within your mapping software or directly in the game. Make small, iterative changes until the overall gaming experience feels perfectly natural and intuitive for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.